It's actually mind blowing being in this industry for quite a long time and seeing where rates were whenever I first started in the banking industry compared to, where they are now. I literally got an email probably 20 minutes before we jumped on this webinar, and it was a 2-year fixed rate at 2.09%, which is absolutely incredible. I know that when we were talking about threes, mid 3%, it was mind blowing. So even if you look at that spectrum, like that 1.5%, what that might be able to save you from a cash flow point of view right now is could be all the difference. Like if we look at 1% even on a $500,000 loan, that's $5,000 a year in interest savings, which is incredible. Like that's cash back in your pocket, the client's pocket. I'll start back up at the top anyway, but so cashback rebates of up to $4,000. So I think everyone can imagine how much an extra $4,000 in the pocket would come in handy right now. Generally speaking, whenever we're looking at a variable rate loan, you're looking to pick up and move from one lender to one of these lenders that are offering the cashback rebate. I would say to you that your total discharge costs, including government fees, will range anywhere between $700 and $800. So that means that of that $4,000, you're actually going to hold on to anywhere between $3,200 and $3,300 in your pocket. Now, that's potentially a month, maybe two, depending on how low your loan amount is. That's potentially a month or 2 months worth of payments that you've got stored away sitting there that you could pay during this tough time. And I guess there are a few lenders that are doing it. It ranges from $4,000 to $2,000. There's some that are still doing different sets of points on credit cards, if that's your fancy. But I mean, that's a big one right now. It's cash in people's pocket. Obviously, whenever we're going through this process, it's not a matter of, hey, we're going to get you $3,200 and then we refinance you you're on a worse rate. We have a duty of care to go through how things look like for you right now, what interest are you paying, and we want to make sure that we're getting you into a better situation. So the $4,000 is absolutely amazing, but the end goal is actually, hey, guess what? You're on 3%. We're going to give you a rate of 2.09. That's the real kicker, because that's the interest saver, and it's obviously that compounds year after year after year.